Listen close, Adrian. I'm you from 10 years deep. I've got the cheat codes to save you the friction of wasted hours. You'll be proud of what we become. Now listen up, kid. First up, stop the nightclubs.
Cut it out.
The signal to noise ratio is broken.
There's only doubt.
You're looking for a soulmate when no word is spoken. Just loud music, jealous friends blocking, and focus broken. Switch the game to daytime.
Step into the light.
In a cafe you see a reaction.
Energy is right.
Is she the mother of the children you provide? Day game lets you see the truth with no shadows to hide. And listen, the math of the heart is exact. Girls require the same effort, that's a fact. No discount cause you're not a 10. The work is the work. So aim for the best. Don't settle, don't learn. Find the one you wanna keep. Stop sowing your seeds where the harvest is cheap. You want a girl?
Get your club, step into the day.
You want the wealth?
Real estate ain't the only way.
Don't say the penny. Boy, you gotta make the stack. Don't go to networking events.
Don't look back.
I'm you from 10 years deep. Here to break the code. Put the phone on silent. Airplane mode.
Airplane mode.
Now money, you're looking at real estate like it's the grail.
Listen,
Brick and mortar is a heavy, slow sale.
it's a bank.
Treat a house like a Rolex. Buy it when you want, but don't expect it to rise like the heat of the sun. You won't speak
KDB,
his own line.
real estate,
Digital asset,
value from there.
sealing your fate. Publishing products that scale while you sleep.
While you sleep,
Innovation wins competition. The old way is too steep.
and stop pinching pennies.
That mindset is weak. Saving $1 below 1,000 is for the meek. It is harder work to save that buck than to make a grand more.
Shift the energy, attack the top line.
Settle the score. Don't shrink to fit. Grow to consume. Walk into the market and own the whole room. You want a girl?
Get your club, step into the day.
You want the wealth?
Real estate ain't the only way.
Don't save the pennies. Boy, you gotta make the stack. Don't go to networking events.
Don't look back.
I'm you from 10 years deep. Here to break the code. Put the phone on silent. Airplane mode.
Airplane mode.
Now, the daily drill. How do we stand? Get a small spiral notebook in your hand. Journal the pad, write it all down in the phone. Put that thing on airplane mode day and night. Reclaim your attention, reclaim your sight. If it's urgent, then I give it up anyway.
You the better judge.
You the better girl.
You the better judge.
You the never know, but
You the better judge.
you just need one person. You don't need 10. Just one partner to share your wins with, my friend.
Share ideas.
Open a gate. Your brain blooms like cherry blossom. It's fate. Social innovation is who we are.
Find that one deep on
And you go far. You want a girl?
Get your club, step into the day.
You want the wealth?
Real estate ain't the only way.
Don't say the penny. Boy, you gotta make the stack. Don't go to networking events.
Don't look
Back. I'm you from 10 years deep. Here to break the code. Put the phone on silent. Airplane mode. 10 years go. Skip the club.
Focus the flow.
Yeah, build on the web. Let the money grow.
Find that one friend.
This is the advice I wish I had heard. Now go out there and be true to your word.